Hi everyone, I'm Christopher Thornycroft with Redwood Logistics, and welcome to the Redwood Rundown for the week of August 10th, 2025. We haven't had a whole lot to talk about. What was there to say? Volume was weak. Capacity came out of the market. We picked the French Open winner. Caleb on a roll in training camp last 2 days. Okay, but besides that, what else is there? Well, hey, how about anyone that was trying to move freight out of Chicago this week? That got a little different, right? But what the heck was going on there? So we come into this week, we've got clock in our heads. We have a pretty good timer for when that Chicago market's going to go on off. And it wouldn't be right now. Maybe a couple of weeks from now, sure. But not at this stage in August, especially not with really weak demand. I mean, demand down below 2019 levels. Cass freight index showing contraction for the 30th consecutive month. So we wouldn't expect there to be a big pushback, but the Chicago market got tight. It got really hard to move the freight that we've been moving really easily. So what's happening? Well, what we believe is that you've got a ton of freight that it came on into the ports in Southern California. That's now actually starting to work its way inland into the Chicago network. And that the Chicago network, really, once that freight comes inland, you're servicing the Midwest. You are servicing all the way out to like Pittsburgh. You're servicing down to Kentucky. It's just this dominant place. So we went into Sonar to take a look, and we took a look at the inbound loaded rail containers that were coming into Chicago. And you know what? If you take a look at total inbound loaded rail containers, that's I-rail with 2 L's over on Sonar, it's the highest that it's ever been for August as long as Sonar's been recording that data. So you have a lot of those sleeper cabs all of a sudden get used on the freight that's coming on in. They're hauling that via the dray. They'll take that up to Green Bay. They'll take that to Indianapolis, and they'll just round trip and come on back if that's where the demand is, if that's where the money's at. And they will follow that money, and they will do that. So that's siphoning away capacity from the Chicago market that we normally see, or at least that's our belief. And hey, if you feel differently, let us know. But other than that, we'll talk to you soon. Take care, everybody. Bye.